Let's see what I can get for the Sephora sale. But I probably don't need my ass to be in here. It's so beautiful today. Today's a gorgeous day. I don't need to be in this damn place, but we're gonna see what I can find. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Haha, I secured the bag. Sephora sale. What did you get? Let's compare and see if we got some of the same things or if we like some of the same things. Ha ha. So in no particular order, let's jump right in. I was able to get my hands on the One Size Secure the Glow Hydrating Primer by One Size. I've been actually waiting to try this out because I've heard so much about it. So I want to, get on the team with the primer. Next, the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss. This I'm really excited about because I have like cracked lips sometimes, just how my lips just naturally are. And these are supposed to be fillers that fill that and make your lipstick look smooth. They had the colors that I wanted. So I got the color Honey and also the color Glossy, which is just a clear. This is the color Honey. Ooh, very creamy. This is the shade Honey. And I was really excited about this shade to see how it looks on my skin. Really pretty. Next, I have, like I said, the gloss, which is the clear. I love that sound. It's so satisfying. And it just looks like just clear. And it seems to be really, really thick. I would say that it's really glossy. And at first, it gave me the feeling of the old MAC lip gloss. And I don't like that. But this, it just feels really like plush. Like it feels really hydrating. I mean, you do have some sticking. And that's what I didn't like about the MACs. Maybe I put too much on. I won't discredit it just yet. So I'll get some more wear out of it and see how it, see, I don't like this, how it does that. Because that lip gloss used to do that. I didn't like that. Why do they make lip glosses so heavy where it does that? I don't like it. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Because it looks disgusting. I'm going to have to take some of this off. And it's still doing it. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to try it. I'm going to keep it for right now and just kind of see. But I don't like that. The next thing I got was Makeup Forever's lip liner. I wanted a nice brown lip liner. So I was able to get this one. And this is in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. And I'll go ahead and swatch that for you as well. And it's almost like a peachy brown. But that's it there. The next thing was, if you're not buying Lily lashes, I don't know what your problem is because these are some of the best lashes on the market. And I was able to get one freaking pair of my favorite style, Maimi. These are my absolute favorite. I have been a Lily lash girl since they first came out back in, I believe, 2016. I think 2016. But anyway, they had one left and I was able to get it. Moving right along, Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Illuminating Highlighter, the Rich Honey shade. And I love this packaging. There is that, the Rich Honey. Because it was so pretty in the store. Okay. The next thing I got, I wanted to try the Fenty Beauty concealers. I got shade 390C and I also got 350C, and they're made with skincare. So I definitely want to try those because some of the other concealers that I've been using, I find that they're a little bit drying, but these are supposed to have skincare in them. This is shade 390. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Next one is 350 Cool. It's a little bit lighter. And there's the lighter one. And then I picked up the Nesamarix Yummy Skin Glow Serum. I have been trying to get my hands on the smoothing balm. Every freaking time I go to Sephora, they're out. And they're still out. So I'm gonna have to go back for that. But I am happy I was able to at least get the glow serum because I want to try them both together. Got the glow serum on. Oh, this is light. I like the way that feels. Actually, let's put it on. And you can wear this underneath your makeup, or you can wear it as a standalone product. Oh, wow. Yeah, I can't wait till I get that balm because I think those are going to go so good together. Look at how it shines. That hydration. I love it. I love it. Now, there are 3 other items that I ordered because they were out of stock in store and I didn't want to just go without them. And this is the best time to get them while the sale is going on. I was able to order the smoothing balm that goes with this. And then I got the Jackie Aina Forever Mood fragrances. I got 2 of them. I ordered the hard to get You Remind Me. So those 2 mixed together are to die for cents. So that's what I got. Let me know what you all picked up for sale, and if you use any of these products and what you feel about them. Let me know. Bye.